Hello children, let us see the questions given in English workshop. First one is, what is the rhyme scheme of stanzas 1 to 3 and the last two stanzas? How does it differ from in the remaining stanzas? The stanzas 1 to 3 are of 4 lines each and 8 and 9 also are of 4 lines each. And these stanzas differ from remaining stanzas, that means 4 to 7 are of 6 lines each. Write any 5 illness of animals in the poem, amusing or laughable. A. Panther's wife chewing his ear. Bear eating too many buns. Elephant eating paperbacks and chalks. Kangaroos not able to jump. Monkey pinching its tail. You can write others also if you find them. And next one is, out of all the names of birds and animals given in the poem, pick out 4 names that are similar in English as well as in Hindi or Marathi or your mother tongue. 1 or 2 I am going to tell, and others you think yourself and write down, that is giraffe, kangaroo, etc. B. Write 4 reasons why animals in a zoo suffer more than those who live in the wild. Now I will tell you model answer, but you can write yourself. Okay? Wild animals have no one who runs their life for them, but the zoo animals are controlled by the zoo staff. Animals in the wild have freedom to move from one place to another place, whereas animals in the zoo are caged. Animals in the wild have the freedom to graze, hunt. They get nutritionally rich food, whereas animals in the zoo stand a chance of being served stale food, or they don't like the food which they like to eat more. And animals in the zoo wild live in their natural habitat, while the animals in the zoo live in an artificial habitat. In this way you can write answer. Think deeply and write. Is the poet really discouraging the youth from becoming vets? Explain your response. What can you write here? A vet needs to be proficient in identifying the specific disease and treat the entire animals and birds. These animals and birds differ largely in their sizes, shapes, types, and internal organs. They live in different geographic settings. It is really hard for a vet to study about each and every one of them. All the more, vet needs to be gentle and compassionate in dealing with them. He advises the youth to be thoughtful about becoming a vet. He adds that if you are really looking for money in the profession, then veterinary science is not the ideal place or the subject of study for such a person. It is important for an individual to know the advantages and disadvantages of a field before choosing it as a career. Thus, the poet aims to only communicate how thoroughly an individual would have to be prepared when he or she chooses to become a vet. Now, fifth one, find out from a vet or from a website. It is activity, precaution a vet has to take when he or she is called to treat wild, dangerous animals. Make point-wise notes of the same that you write yourself. Sixth one is, select any 4 zoo animals mentioned in the poem. Imagine they are able to talk in English. Compose a dialogue among the 4 animals discussing discomfort and illness. For example, if you choose for example lion, chimpanzee, giraffe, zebra, what will they discuss each other? Lion would say that See, nowadays, forest area is becoming less. How should we lead our life? Our number is becoming less. And giraffe would say that there are less plants in the world. Number of forest areas are means forest area is becoming less. In this way, they will communicate each other. That is our creativity. We have to show our creativity and our imagination in writing these answers. I can say that you will do yourself very well. Thank you.